Well, it's been an incredibly busy summer, and I haven't hardly made any videos. The last one I put out I made about 2 months ago. So let's catch up on some of the stuff I got done. I guess while we're walking by here. In the last video you saw that really crappy, rusty piece of crap trailer. Well, this is it now. Went ahead, cleaned it up, got it all painted, got the rust fixed in it, and added on this decking. It's not actual trailer decking, it's just I think they're for French wood doors, I'm not sure, but it was good wood, so I screwed it on there. Got new lights in it, new wiring, new tongue there, got that put on, and also got those tires to hold air. So I got a pretty good trailer all in all. I got about $100 into it, and some time of course, but not bad for what it is. So that took a little bit of time. But over here, if you can see, I've got a new shed up. So this is what I came up with to replace the old shed that fell down. It's just a couple of portable garages, 13 by 20 feet long, butted together, and I made a few little improvements here and there. I've gone ahead and secured it to these big railroad ties in the front, and I've gone ahead and have added a couple of posts down the middle and secured the frame to that to hopefully kind of hold it together. And down here you can see I've put that piece of wood down to keep the tarp from flapping too much, and I've left the old doors on just so that the wind is kind of blocked from hitting this main door on the shed, because they're not generally too tough. So I figured I would keep that from catching all the wind anyway. Hopefully it'll last a bit longer. And we'll shut this, and we'll shut this. Come on. There we go. We'll shut that and we'll walk around the front here, and we can kind of take a look at what else I did. I picked these up for, I think the pair of them was $650 on Amazon, so not too terrible. I picked these up because they were 13 feet wide, which is the width of the railroad ties I have buried under here. As you can see, there's the decent remnants of the shed, and then here's the inside of it. I've got some improvements to hopefully hold everything together. Obviously I've got them screwed here to the railroad ties, so they shouldn't move. Also on the ceiling I put this welded wire over the top of it, the fencing. It's 6 foot wide and about 2 50-foot rolls. Threw it over the top, and then just kind of wired it to itself here around those poles. So hopefully when the snow lands, it won't pull this down and cause the snow to build up here, because I've noticed in the winter time, snow lands on it, this section of the tarp sags right here in the middle, and then it melts and it can't get over that bar to fall off, so you just get a big hanging sack of frozen water, and that's a lot of weight, and it tears these sheds apart, rips the tarps and bends the poles, and it's not good. So I'm going to try this fencing stuff and see if that'll help. Hopefully it will. I've never seen anybody do it, but we'll give it a try. And then between the sections of fencing I had a bunch of kind of this elastic rope stuff that I had laying around, so I just weaved it in between and then over the bar, so hopefully help hold some of that weight. So we'll see how well this thing holds up. And one other thing I did was I added some Tech screws, just these joints, to kind of sturdy them up. They were a little floppy. They just got the push button deals on there, but all in all I probably got about $800. The wire was $70 a roll, so $140 for the 2 rolls I needed, and then the sheds were $650. and the tech screws. So probably about 800 into the whole thing, not including the railroad ties because they were already there. If you had to buy those, they'll drive up the cost a fair bit. I think when I bought them they were $7 a railroad tie, and now I looked at Menards and they were $24 a pop or something ridiculous like that. So I don't know, maybe you can find railroad ties cheaper somewhere else. It was just convenient for me to buy them for $7 at the time, so I did. Probably wouldn't go with railroad ties at $24 a piece right now, but we'll see how long it lasts. Hope it holds up good. But in the meantime, let's get some of this junk out of here, and then maybe we'll park some cars in here. Alright, let's fire this thing up and start dragging some mowers, I guess. See if I can drag this out of here without wrecking anything. I think we'll dump this guy over here for now. I'm not sure, I don't remember, but I might have replaced this engine. This might be a good runner. I don't remember. Now this one here was actually a good runner, so I think I'll take it up to the house and see if it'll go again. I'm sure the gas is toast and that tire is flat. Maybe some other problems, but we'll take it up there and maybe look at it later. If we can move it. Well, looks like I need a better spot to hook it. Well, we'll find something. Alright, I got a majority of the crap taken out of the shed. Let's see if we can get a couple of these cars in there anyway. Haven't run them since before the last video. They haven't moved, so hopefully that battery's good. And no bees. I like that, no bees. And throw a battery in there, see if we'll fire it up and put her away. Alright, battery's in. Never works the first time, but we'll let that fuel pump build some pressure up there, and yeah. Holy crap, it worked. The battery is halfway decent. Nice. Well, I think I'll close the hood. Maybe take her for a little burn before I park it. Yep, tires still got air. Pretty good. There we go. Nice. Alright, we took her for a little burn down the driveway. I peeked in, I didn't see any coolant in it, so we don't want to run it for too terribly long. But we'll get her backed in here, hopefully, without hitting too much, I hope. Hey, that's not enough. We're gonna have to make a sharp corner. Kind of a lot of crap in the way. Crap that I don't want to hit with my car. There we go. I think we can cut that now. Yeah, like a glove. Yeah, I think that'll work. Should have plenty of room for another car up front. Yeah, I'll be able to close the door. Nothing smoking or steaming or leaking or... Yeah, I think it's good. We'll pull that battery out and then drive something else in here, I guess. Alright, I've still got to fix the brake line in this one, so... Yeah, that's been there for a while. But I got to fix brake line in this, so I think I'm going to put the Beetle in there for now. Weasel my way into the back seat and put a battery in it. Cobwebs growing on it and everything. But it should fire right up. All the tires got air, so as long as no bees moved in, we'll be good. Alright, battery's in the back. I'm going to leave the seat out for now, because I'm going to have to take that battery out again anyway, so we'll see if she's going to work. There. Fire right up. Can't ask for better than that, huh? Remember how to drive this silly little thing. There we go. Oh yeah, no problem. I think we'll take her for a little burn and then park her. Well, alright, I got the Beetle parked in here. It ran okay, but I think it's almost out of gas. So probably need to put fresh stuff in it anyway. But I'll leave it kind of parked here in the middle so I can get around and get the battery out and whatnot. It's not going to stay here anyway for the winter, so. And yeah, one other thing I noticed, this window don't go down. She's a little stuck. It did sit outside for too long. Too long, we'll say. But it ran good, so one of these days we'll have to tackle that window and get some gas in it.